Quick question. How many ways can you say yes in English? If your answer is one, just yes, then this episode is for you.
Native English speakers have dozens of ways to agree, disagree, and sit on the fence, and each one sends a slightly different signal.
Today, 15 ways to say yes, no, and maybe in English, and when to use each one.
I'm William. This is Sarah. Welcome to Learn English.
This topic is about functional language, the kind of English you use in real conversations to communicate attitude, not just information.
B1 level today, accessible but packed with nuance. We'll do 5 ways to say yes, 5 ways to say no, and 5 ways to say maybe.
Let's kick it off with the yes expressions. Ready?
First yes expression, absolutely. This is an enthusiastic yes, stronger than just yes.
Are you free tomorrow? Absolutely. It signals enthusiasm, not just agreement.
Second, sure thing. This is a casual, friendly yes, often used between friends or in informal workplaces.
Very American. Sure thing sounds warm and easygoing. It's almost impossible to sound rude with this one.
Third, you bet. Another very American way of saying absolutely. Informal, enthusiastic.
Are you coming to the party? You bet. It carries a sense of certainty and excitement.
Fourth, count me in. This is used when someone invites you to something, a trip, a project, a plan. You're saying yes and committing.
We're starting a book club. Count me in. It's warm, enthusiastic, and committing.
Fifth yes expression, by all means. This is a more formal way of saying of course, please go ahead.
Use this in professional contexts. By all means sounds gracious and polished. 5 ways to say yes and notice how different they feel.
Absolutely and you bet are both enthusiastic, but you bet is more casual and more American. Absolutely works everywhere.
Count me in is only for invitations or plans, not for general agreement. You wouldn't say count me in when someone asks if you want coffee.
By all means, use it when giving permission to someone. It shows generosity and formality at the same time.
Now let's flip it 5 ways to say no.
First no expression, I'm afraid not. This is a polite, apologetic no, perfect for formal situations.
The word afraid softens the rejection. It signals that you wish you could say yes.
Second, no can do. Very informal, means I'm not able to do that.
Use this only with people you know well. It's casual and a little playful.
Third, I'll pass. This is a relaxed, friendly way to decline an invitation or offer.
Very low pressure. I'll pass doesn't close a door permanently, it just declines this time.
Fourth, that's not going to work for me. This is direct but professional, often used in scheduling or negotiation.
It leaves room for an alternative. It's assertive without being rude.
Fifth no, not a chance. This is a strong, emphatic no. Use carefully. It closes the door completely.
Now for the maybes. First, I'll think about it. This is honest, you genuinely haven't decided.
Be careful. In some cultures this is polite code for no. In American English, it usually means exactly what it says.
Second maybe, it depends. You're open to the idea, but need more information.
You can expand it. It depends on the timeline. It depends on the budget. It depends how you ask me.
Third, we'll see. A soft, non-committal maybe, leaving all options open.
Fourth, I'm on the fence. This means you genuinely can't decide. You see pros and cons on both sides.
And fifth, possibly. This is the most neutral maybe. It's a maybe with no lean in either direction. Let's talk about the maybe expressions. They're fascinating because they carry very different weights.
We'll see is the softest maybe, almost evasive. Parents use it with children when they don't want to say no directly.
I'm on the fence is the most honest. You're admitting you genuinely don't know. It's a mature, nuanced response.
And it depends is the most practical. It invites a conversation about conditions. It keeps the dialogue open.
The key takeaway, variety in your responses makes you sound more natural, more confident, and more fluent.
Practice time. Repeat these after Sarah, clearly and naturally.
Absolutely. Absolutely. I'd love to.
Count me in. Yes, count me in.
I'm afraid not. I'm afraid not, she's unavailable.
I'm on the fence. I'm still on the fence about it.
It depends. It depends on the timeline. Great work.
I'll describe a situation. You give the best response. Ready?
Your friend asks if you want to join a hiking trip. You'd love to go. What do you say?
Absolutely. Or count me in. Both are perfect.
Your boss asks if you can attend a 6 a.m. meeting. Impossible for you. What's the professional response?
That's not going to work for me. Could we make it 9 instead? Excellent.
Someone asks your opinion on a plan. You see good and bad points and can't decide. What do you say?
I'm on the fence. I can see both sides. Perfect. That's real English.
15 expressions for 3 simple words, yes, no, and maybe. And each one tells a completely different story.
From now on, ban yes and no from being your only answers. Experiment with these and watch your conversations come alive.
Thanks so much for listening to Learn English. We'll see you next time.